God, I was looking at YouTube videos literally of a couple of weeks after we first got him. He was so small I could literally pick him up like this, and now I can't. She sat at the top of the stairs moaning to go down, even though he can fully go down by himself. Cobes. Cobra. Go on then. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back for a brand new video. So the first little clip of the vlog was just me and Cobes this morning, just chilling. Yeah, I think it was literally a few seconds long, and then the doorbell rang, and I've got a delivery. Oh, so I've got a massive box here, a delivery from Desenio. So Desenio gifted me some prints to show you guys, and I am just obsessed. Desenio just do the best prints. The ones in the living room that we've got downstairs are Desenio. The ones in my office are Desenio. And when I needed some for my bedroom, of course, the first place I was going to go to was Desenio. It's cozy season now, and I feel like there's nothing better for like autumn, winter time than getting your home just feeling a lot more homey, a lot more cozy, because we're going to be spending a lot more time indoors because it's absolutely freezing. Desenio provide affordable Scandinavian artwork which is accessible to everyone, so rather than spending like hundreds of pounds on like actual real life expensive artwork, because realistically I'm not going to do that. I feel like Desenio is just the best thing because they've got so many different prints on there. There's literally thousands to choose from. There's literally going to be something on there for everyone. Whatever your vibe is, there's going to be something on there. They release new designs of prints every month as well. So if you're on there and you can't really find something that you're loving, chances are by the next month there'll be so much more on there as well. And another good thing about Desenio is they've got like a gallery wall tool on the website. So if you're struggling like how to design the wall and how you actually want it, Desenio do have like a little section where you can design it yourself and see what it's going to look like. So if you want to treat yourself to some prints from Desenio, I do have a discount code. I'll leave it on the screen now. If you use the code Mooney, literally just my last name, that'll get you 35% off your Desenio prints. It excludes personalised prints and kits, but all the other prints that are on there, you can get 35% off. That is such a big discount. So excited to open this parcel. There's literally nothing better than a Desenio parcel. Oh, so we've got the prints in here. The thing I love about Desenio is you can order these little like picture hooks, and they make hanging up pictures so much easier. Literally just nail them into the wall, these little things, and they're secure. Picked up a couple of gold frames because in this room, I don't know if you can see, that light behind me is gold. Our bedside tables are gold. We're just adding like little accents of gold. And they've got gold, black, white, wood effect as well. I was torn between wood effect and gold, but because we've got the gold going on, I did go for the gold frames. They come in so many different sizes as well. So I've got the 50 by 70 ones. I just love like a big frame, and I feel like two of these above the bed are gonna look so nice. I kind of like this textured paint kind of vibe, so I picked up this big one with kind of like arches on there. This is really cute. One's more white, and then I got this one which is more beige. It's like filler. Like, have you seen people making this actual artwork of filler? I've got this one. I also picked up this big one as well. So yeah, I'm going to hang a couple of these up now. I think in just two above the bed and then one in the hallway. I think that's the vibe we're going to go for. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys in case you want to go shop on Desenio. Go and treat yourself to some new sick prints. They've got so many like autumn theme ones on there as well, which will be really cozy for the winter time. I'm just excited for the Christmas ones. I'm going to have to change all of these up to Christmas theme ones for Christmas. Yeah, all the links are down below for you guys, and also don't forget to use my code Mooney to save yourself 35% off. But yeah, thank you to Desenio for sending all these out to me. Let's hang them on the wall. Da-da-da!
Oh, sexy frame.
What Dumb and Dumber this is. Where's the hammer? Pass me the hammer. Yeah? Go straight. Oh shit, it's meant to take that plastic bell. Ta-da!
Whoa! Super cool.
Please. I like getting involved.
You always get the hammer out of it. You got some aggression in you, ain't you, Fran? I mean, Shan.
Yeah, of you. Ta-da! I'm gonna put the prints in. I think we should go for the two whiter ones, these ones.
Yeah, I agree.
We're gonna hang these ones. Or should we hang at the same time?
Yeah.
Big reveal! Have I got it? I think they're too low. Is that right?
Bro, what the fuck is going on here?
I did that. I don't need a man to do that. Wow!
You got them both?
Yeah, they look really cute!
That?
They literally just tie the room together, don't they?
They do. Oh, the gold on them, sick. Man.
Yeah, the gold looks unreal. Yay!
Holy
How sick does that
shit.
look? We need to remake the bed, that's got messed up. Bedroom ones are up. Let's do it in the hallway. And we've hung the last one just here at the bottom of the stairs. We think we're going to get some more so we can have some going up the stairs. But we put this one here because we've got the gold mirror. We thought the gold and gold, ignore the cracks, tied in really nice together. So yeah, love that. I just filmed a whole clip showing you our lunches. Oak was involved and then my camera deleted it. That's great. But I had these for lunch. They're from Iceland. Oak got me from the other day. And they're actually really nice. And Oak had these, also from Iceland. That's what we had for lunch. That's our sign that we need to go and do a food shop because we've got no food and we had to have stuff out in the freezer for lunch. But yeah, you missed all that because my camera deleted the clip. Hello. Hello, little bear. Oh, you're so cute. You are too cute, my little bear. Oh, thanks for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses. Do you want to go and get you some chicken? Yeah. Mum's going to get you some chicken? Yeah. About to go and pick up my new camera because this... What is this? Why is this doing this? Well, I know exactly why it's doing it. So if I press the button that makes the background defocus, it's fine. But I think when... Well, not I think, I know. When me and Charm went to see Neo on the train, I had my camera balanced on some cans. And obviously when the camera's on, the lens is out. And it fell like lens first. So I think I've messed up the focus on it. But it's fine like this. I decided to go and get myself a new camera. I've literally bought the exact same one. Because I just can't risk sending this off and not having it for a few weeks. Like, this is my job. I can't not have a camera for a few weeks. What I'm going to do is go and pick that camera up now. And then with this one, I'm going to send it off to Sony to get fixed. And then I'll just either keep it as a backup or sell it. What's up, chicken? I'm going to go to Argos now, which is where I've ordered it to, pick it up. But the Argos that I go to is inside Sainsbury, so I want to grab a few bits for the house because, like I was saying, we literally did a whole clip explaining this whole situation, but it deleted. We always give Cobes chicken as a treat, like chicken breast, but we've had none for the past 2 days because we've not been food shopping and I just feel like guilty that we've not... It's really moaning to go outside. We've not had chicken in the house, we've not been able to give him chicken. There you go, here's some chicken. We've got nothing as well for like lunches and stuff, so I'm going to get some stuff for lunch. Been outside painting something for the moving vlog, which you will see soon. I don't know when the moving vlog's coming out. We're waiting for something big to be done. So that'll be included in the moving vlogs. That should hopefully not be too long. Oak's working today, so I thought we could just spend the day together. So let's go and get my new camera. Grab some food bits. It's my sister's birthday. Oh, I didn't even explain. It's my sister's birthday 6 days ago. On birthdays, we usually do like a big brother and sister night out. So that's what we're doing tonight. We're going to Schloss. Is that how you say it? In town. I've not been to the Birmingham one yet, so I don't know what it's like. I've had a big brother and sister night out, which I'm really excited for. I love going out with my brothers and sisters. It's literally my favourite. I'm gonna come along with us to that as well. Obviously got to wash my hair and get ready and stuff, but yeah. Let's go get my new camera. Cobes, you staying outside? Dog literally spends 90% of the day outside. We have to leave this door open for him because we feel bad shutting it. But it's so cold. I'm just going to have to leave it open. He just loves being outside. I think it's because he's got so much hair, he's always hot. And he's playing with the otter teddy that Shan got him. Too cute. Right, I've made it to Sainsbury's. But the thing is, my brother's ordered me this camera because he gets 10% off at Argos. And I'm praying that they're going to let me have it because it's in his name. Whenever I've collected stuff from Argos before though, all you need is literally the F codes. And he sent me that. So let's just say a prayer that they don't need Ben or his ID. Hey, we've got a new camera. I'm gonna open it and stuff when we get home. There's some random stuff. Spring onions, lettuce, chicken for Cobes, and chicken for Oak. And that is my Sainsbury's haul. Oh, actually, and I got Oak needed a nougat to be glued, so I got him one of them. But yeah, it's suddenly, what time is it? It is suddenly 2 o'clock and I need to be ready for about 4:30. I actually need to wash my hair. Wash this hair mask out of it, get ready. So we're going to Oak's mum for pre-drinks before we actually go out. I'll take Cobra there so he can stay with Oak's mum while we go out because they don't want to leave him in the house on his own for that long. It's too long. Especially for a puppy, it's way too long. Cobra. What's mommy got for Cobra? Cobes. What's mum got for you? What's this? Want some chicken? Yeah. Want some chicken? What's mum got for the bear? Huh? What's mum got for the bear? What's this? What's this? Sit down then, sit. Paw. Paw. Good boy. Even though he's been doing it for so long, I'm still like, wow, he does paw. What's this? Paw. Good boy. boy. Yummy. Yummy. Very nice. It's all gone. You have to wait till later and you can have some more. Yeah? Say thanks, Mum. Thanks, Mum. Say thanks, Mum. Have a kiss. Good boy. Ooh, he's just the best. You're just the bestest boy. I don't know what's going on today, but it's so cold. I'm literally freezing and I'm wearing a long sleeve top. Oh, it's suddenly 4 o'clock. We're leaving here at 5:30, so I've got an hour and a half. Pray for me. I need to wash. I'm just gonna wash the top section. If you've got extensions, then you'll know the trick. Do we ever fully wash our hair? No, I literally just wash the top bit. Then I need to get ready. So I haven't actually got that much time. I haven't even opened my new camera yet. But she's here. It might have to be open tomorrow because I'm not gonna bring it out today anyways. I'm not risking bringing the new one out and breaking it. I'm not doing it. I'm bringing this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my hair. I'm so cold. I'm actually so cold. I'm ready to go. My hair needs to drop out a little bit more. I've literally got ready the fastest time I've ever got ready, but this is my outfit. The blazers, Miss Pat, but from Boohoo. Trousers are Boohoo. And we're going for my black tracks and then the little green Jackham's bag. I need to get all my jewellery and stuff on.
Let's piss myself.
I'm literally going to wee myself. But we're going to Schloss tonight. Never been there in Birmingham. I've got half a can left.
I've got like a quarter of a can left.
Should we down it? Classy. Mine's really full. Mine's really full. Mine's really full. I've got like a quarter left. Everyone's already there with the late siblings. Yeah. And we had to wear a coat. This is really ruining the outfit.
You look cool though, look at it.
Do I?
Been here.